Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the refrigerator door shelf in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. This door shelf is located on the top and the middle of the right side refrigerator door. It's used for additional storage of produce. The most common reason to replace the door shelf is if it cracks and no longer stays in place or keeps the food in. To get to the part, we need to open the right side door. To remove this old door shelf, we need to push it up so it will disengage from the grooves on the side and we can remove it. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I've got here a new door shelf, and there's this tab on the left side and another one on the right side, and these two tabs are going to be installed into these two cutouts, grooves. They're going to lift it over that grooves, push it in, and we're going to lower down the shelf. Push it down and it locks. Now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.